Welcome to another video. In this one, we'll talk about the question and the information slide, why you should use one or the other or both, and I will demonstrate for you. So in your survey, you've got your start slide and finish slide, pretty obvious. Sometimes you may want to add an information slide. So you click add slide and here it is. What is an information slide? Well, you guessed it. It's to give information to your customer. So you can add an image, a YouTube video, a Vimeo video, you can add a bunch of text, or you can do both. It's really up to you. For example, I say, hey, let's add an image, let's add this, and now it's there. Now within that, I can add more stuff if I want. So for example, I can go ahead and modify this logo if I want. It's really up to me. And this is the title, this is the description that you get with that specific slide. You can also delete this image if you want to. It's really up to you at the end of the day. And from here on, you can continue to add more to it. So for example, you've got these two options there available, add question or text/media. If we keep it specific to information slide, chances that you probably want to add more information. So I can now choose text, insert that in there. And just like that, I can continue to add more stuff if I want. It's really up to you. So again, you can add more media. So now I can go in here and I can say, you know what, I want to add a paragraph. You can go ahead and insert a paragraph. And this is a cool car information slide. So hopefully that's like self-explanatory at the end of the day, that for this you will need the information slide if you want to represent some information, and then if you want to delete it, you're more than welcome to go ahead and do that as well. So that's the information slide for you, and after that you've got your question slide. What is a question slide? Well, it's obvious again, it's to add questions. So if you add a slide now and choose question slide, here you can go ahead and add different questions in here. So for example, I will add a radio question like this, and here you can modify the text. Which is your favorite car? And then here I can modify these. So I can say Ferrari, Lamborghini, Aston Martin. Like that. And that is essentially your question. And then from here on, your customer will go back and forth. So they will start at the start slide, go to your information slide, and then go to your question slide. Or if you choose to move them up and down, again, it will follow that flow. So that's how it works, and that's what the two slides are. When you click plus, you will get a choice, add slide. You can either add an end slide. Most of the time the end slide is already there, but if you want to delete and add a new one, you can do that. But other than that, your information and question slide, that's what it's for. Question is to just add question. Information is to add some information. And yeah, and this is how you do it.